For a while, I tengah play gambar.
Gambar apa? Gambar kita?
Taklah gambar I.
Actually, hari tu kita pergi live dekat tempat Dola. We are supposed to take a photo for memories together. Do you have it?
We did what?
They have it, but we don't have it. We didn't have a photo together.
Ada yang 4 orang lah.
Yeah, okay je. No, I want to have a... Every time we go out together, I want a photo. We
Kan kita pula jumpa setahun sekali macam raya. Kan?
I said minimum we need to meet once a week, right?
Once a week lah kan ni.
Yelah.
James, I gurau je setahun sekali tu. Ish. Tak, can you entertain them sekejap? Kita flick gambar. Hey,
What?
talk to them sekejap. Awak marah saya tu. Kenapa pula?
Yelah, I say no matter how busy you are, no matter how busy I am, we must spend once meeting a week. That's how you maintain a relationship, regardless of what kind of relationship. No, it's not like just video call, calling. It's not very helpful. Like seeing each other is very, very important. Betul lah.
Tapi kan you sibuk, I sibuk.
Yeah, but spend time. We need to spend time together.
You lah ajak, takkan I yang nak kena ajak.
I sudah ajak the last one
Bila?
Hiking, boxing.
Lepas tu next I pula yang kena initiate, is it?
Yeah.
Sekejap ya. People watching.
Yeah. Oh, maybe we can go bazaar. Tak boleh lah, we go bazaar. Pengsan nanti, tak payah keluar. Masuk, tak payah keluar.
Ya, awak lah. Awak popular.
No, you.
No.
You. Sunday, you say
gambar.
Sunday. Tak boleh lah, Sunday saya tak ada senang lah.
Awak tak senang?
No, Sunday, my ex-boss. Dulu I kerja dekat US, dia kerja dekat kedai runcit ni. Dan dia Malaysian lah, dia Malaysian American. So, setiap tahun raya Cina dia balik. Dan bila dia balik, dia stay rumah I. So, dia, husband dia, anak-anak dia semua stay rumah I. So, Sunday, I kena bawa mereka jalan-jalan. Oh.
Sekejap ya. Sekejap tak kurang. Let me call Ainati for a while.
Yeah. Have you ada buka beg kuning tak?
Got.